Stefano is checking the photos of how the Teak was done in the cockpit to find now the best solution and respect the original design. Talking with Luca, they are discussed how to put the Teak near the dryer. They asked to me to take off this dryer, but I want maintaining the original shape, so they probably make a little modification the Teak to permit the water to dry without not much problem. And here Stefano is gluing all the small pieces to make the contour of the seats in the cockpit.